Imagine a future where spacecraft are not only more efficient, but also inspired by the delicate beauty of nature. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, thanks to an innovative leap in design inspired by origami, the traditional Japanese art of paper folding. Engineers have long been fascinated by how origami can make objects compact and adaptable. And now, a breakthrough in bloom patterns is pushing the boundaries even further. But here's where it gets exciting. These new designs could revolutionize not just space exploration, but also everyday technologies we use on Earth. At Brigham Young University, Larry Howell and his team have pioneered a fresh approach to origami-inspired engineering. Their work focuses on what they call bloom patterns, structures that fold flat for easy storage and then unfurl like flower petals into intricate three-dimensional shapes. These patterns aren't just visually stunning, they're incredibly practical. For example, they could be used in telescopes, solar panels, or antennas that need to be compact during launch and expand once in space. This capability is crucial because every inch of space and every ounce of weight matters when you're sending something into orbit. Origami-based systems already offer significant advantages for spacecraft design. By folding tightly, they reduce the volume needed for transport, which translates to cost savings and more flexibility in mission planning. However, traditional origami models often struggle with two key challenges: packing efficiency and reliability during deployment. Some designs are tricky to collapse back into their original form, while others may not unfold smoothly in unpredictable environments like outer space. That's where bloom patterns shine. They address these problems head-on by ensuring the structures remain flat when folded and open up seamlessly without errors. What makes bloom patterns particularly fascinating is their versatility. The researchers discovered that these shapes belong to a broader family of forms that share similar traits. Starting as thin, flat discs, they transform in one fluid motion into curved, blooming structures reminiscent of flowers in full bloom. To better understand how these patterns function, the team created both mathematical models and physical prototypes. They meticulously tested paper versions and even experimented with materials like 3D printed plastics to ensure durability and precision. Why does this matter? Because in space missions, failure isn't an option. A single misstep in unfolding could jeopardize the entire operation. But this innovation doesn't stop at aerospace applications. Bloom patterns hold immense potential for solving real-world problems closer to home. Think about emergency shelters that can be transported in compact forms and quickly assembled on-site, or pop-up architectural designs that maximize limited urban spaces. Even robotics could benefit, as components that need to expand or contract dynamically would gain from such reliable folding mechanisms. And let's not forget the artistic possibilities. Imagine furniture or decor that transforms effortlessly with a simple touch. This research represents more than just a technical advancement. It's a gateway to endless possibilities. As the authors explain in their study published in the Proceedings of the Royal Society A, their findings pave the way for deeper investigations into the mechanics of bloom patterns and their adaptability across various fields. They emphasize the importance of exploring how these designs handle thickness and mechanical stress, as well as their potential as deployable systems in diverse scenarios. So what do you think? Could bloom patterns become the secret sauce for next-generation technology, both in space and on Earth? Or do you see potential drawbacks that haven't been addressed yet? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. After all, breakthroughs like these remind us that inspiration can come from the most unexpected places, even a centuries-old art form like origami.